coolant reservoir. I want to go ahead and just connect our expansion hose here to the radiator. I'm going to use a pair of pliers and gently grab this hose and twist that off. Don't squeeze too hard. You don't want to crack the port on the radiator. Grab the expansion tank, and we're going to pull directly up on this. The unit is held in place by this back section, just pressed into a retainer tab here. Let's go ahead and set that aside. Install your coolant reservoir by sliding it into this little mounting bracket here. Simply line that up. I'm going to go ahead and remove our expansion tube hose. I'm going to swap it over, put it onto the new tank and onto our radiator.